Welcome back. Which one of the following statements is correct? So this is very important topic. It is on the cardiac cycle, and I want to, instead of telling you the answer directly, I want to go through each and every statement. So cardiac cycle, it lasts for 0.8 second. We consider the beginning of a cardiac cycle from joint diastole. This is the time when all four chambers are relaxed. The valves, this is bicuspid and tricuspid valve, are also open. Semilunar valves are closed. Because see, this is a very short cycle. So the blood has just gone into aorta and the pulmonary artery. During joint diastole, blood moves freely in all chambers. SA node fires a signal which causes atrial depolarization, leading to atrial systole. So look at the first statement. The atrioventricular node generates an action potential to stimulate atrial contraction. It is not AV node, it is SA node, sinoatrial node. P wave of ECG denotes atrial depolarization, and then it is followed by atrial systole. Blood flows down into the ventricles. The second statement says that tricuspid and the bicuspid valves open due to the pressure exerted by the simultaneous contraction of the atria. This is not right. Both the valves are already open. They are open even before contraction of the atria begins. So from joint diastole till the point of ventricular contractions, these two valves will remain open. After atrial systole, what will happen? Atrial diastole will happen. Contraction will be followed by relaxation, and ventricles will now start to contract, which is called ventricular systole. So Q wave is the point of ventricular depolarization, and this is followed by ventricular systole. These valves are already closed, okay? So blood will have the tendency to go backwards, and to prevent this backflow, these two valves will quickly close, and this will lead to the first sound, lub sound. So at this point of time, all these valves are closed. Increased ventricular pressure causes closing of the semilunar valve. This is wrong. It causes opening of the semilunar valves. Finally, the last option, blood moves freely from atrium to the ventricle during joint diastole. So this was the first image which I showed you, and this is the right answer.